This is what a Facebook post can do. Luneta turns into a sea of white, with 70,000 Filipinos protesting corruption. Protesters slammed the alleged misuse of the pork barrel 3 days after President Benigno Aquino proposes to abolish it in its current form. No single leader directs the crowdsourced rally. Pichi Britannia, one of the 3 persons who started the Million People March, says it is a modern display of leadership.
Yung sinasabi nilang leaderless, hindi po ito leaderless, leaderful.
The traditional leaders follow the crowd.
Tayong lahat ay tinipon ng Diyos.
Manila Archbishop Luis Antonio Cardinal Tagle adds weight to the people's protests. On August 26, National Heroes Day, the Cardinal prays for heroism.
Pag sinabi nating bayanihan, sabay-sabay maging bayani. Inaanyayahan ko po ang lahat na atin pong tingnan, dinggin at mahalin ang mga dukha at naghihirap bilang mga tunay nating kapwa at kapatid. Atin din pong damahin ang tibok ng puso ng ating bayan. Patunayan po natin na marangal ang Pilipino.
The rally becomes the biggest under the Aquino administration. Unlike other big rallies, the Million People March doesn't dwell on specific personalities. It's driven by anger toward the systemic problem, the pork barrel system. It's a sign of maturity in a country stuck in personality politics. Comedian May Paner, who on a change in social media, says the protest shows a change in consciousness.
Itong event na to, I think ay patunay ng pagbabago ng consciousness na yan. At tingnan natin kung saan ito makakarating. Pwede naman pagkatapos ngayon, wala na. Balik-balik na tayo sa dati nating mga buhay. And then parang walang nangyari.
The Luneta rally shows the internet's huge influence on protests in the Philippines, moving it away from organized, often militant groups to netizens.
I would really like to see, this as the start of many changes that will happen. Oo, yeah. It's time. And alam mo, nagulat nga ako na ngayon lang tayo nagalit after so many years no? But it took us so long to get angry, no? But never too late, yeah.
Hindi ito revolusyon, hindi ito itaob ang pamahalaan. Ito ay ang simpleng paghingi ng paliwanag kung ano ang nangyari at simpleng pagdemand ng solusyon sa problema na tinatawag na PDAF.
A preview of the power of social media to transform online anger into real collective action. Paterno S. Macael Rappler, Manila.